what we're gonna do is we're gonna use the phone. I'm gonna mount it. I got the mount already on the phone. And we're gonna get this thing on. I'm gonna connect my DJI. That way you can hear me inside. And I'll have it connected and it should work well. We'll go around the house or around the neighborhood real quick and we'll check it out. Here, check this out. Pretty cool angle. And then we'll stop. We'll do a different angle. That way you get a different angle of it. And you can kind of see how it works. Pretty cool. Mounted to the front hood. And it works very well. And then when we get up here, I'll switch it out. We'll do a different angle on the way back out. So we'll get something low to the ground so you can kind of see that. So now you got a different angle with that same tripod. Very, very cool. Now, this stuff clicks into place, and then when it's done, it clicks out. And then this, you just lift up, and it comes undone.